We've run out of gas.
Again.
We have no gas.
Why are we like this?
I don't know. We've run out of gas. Nowhere here does gas, so hopefully the next anchorage does some, but we'll see.
We'll see.
If not, no hot drinks.
No.
We are going to go and grab some fuel from the marina and then we're moving.
We need to get going.
Okay, change of plan. There is someone on the fuel pontoon, there's no room, and we don't really fancy hovering around. Plus we've got plenty of fuel to get to the next place, so we're just going to fuel up there, I think. Say, can you help me unlearn? Woohoo! Chris Sandwich is making a comeback.
Hey.
Yeah, boy.
There you go, my friend.
Peace. Oh, comeback of the century, that is.
Basically our chart isn't loading properly, so there's not enough detail on it and it's not doing the auto route, so I'm just trying to figure out why that's happened. I don't know whether it's something like we need to download the maps for the area, which I'm trying to figure out how to do, or whether our subscription doesn't cover the area, but I was pretty sure it did. Essentially you can see this is a marina, so it's not showing any marina data, and if I zoom out it's just not giving any data really, just the bare minimum, and like I say, it just means we can't do any auto routing or anything, which isn't the end of the world. We don't need the auto routing, but we do need the chart information. So we have got a backup, we've got Navionics on every device, so we're fine with that, but we do want to have our chart plotter working, so yeah, I'm just trying to figure that out right now.
We were a bit chaotic this morning. All the fenders are still out, the lines are still attached. We haven't got fuel yet. We've run out of gas, so it's a very chaotic morning. We are kind of heading to Anzio, I think it's called. So we've had our one day in Rome, which was delightful, and now we're moving on again. We're just moving about 6 hours down the coast. We would have tried to go a bit further today, but obviously by the time we tried to sort out gas and stuff like that, it was too late, so I don't think we're going to make it that far today. But yeah, we'll see where we get to.
Taking the back off this so I can get to the back of the chart plotter, and then I'm going to basically take out the SD card, which should have the charts on, reinsert it, go through the settings and just see if anything's changed. I think it's probably the best option we have at the minute. This is the back of our chart plotter. And the SD card is just in there. So I found out that I hadn't got the updated Navionics card in the chart plotter, and the reason for that is because you can only have one region on a chart plotter at a time with Navionics. When I did the updates and I got new charts and things, it must have only been on the app where I was doing it. I really thought that I'd been doing it on the chart plotter as well. Because you can only have one region on each SD card, I was like, oh, maybe you can just download it again or something like that. But you can't. I've been talking to the Navionics support online. They said you can't add an area to your existing card, but if you do not need the card region you're currently using, if you provide me with the card code starting with IT, I can suggest to you the most suitable update option to change the card region. So I've given them our code, and now I'm just waiting to see if we're able to add the region that we need. Okay, so I have some more information. Essentially, it's going to cost £115 to, because I'm still subscribed to Navionics, I still have days on my subscription, and the same for an update pack where I basically switch my one region to another region, charging £115. Now, we already have Navionics on all of our phones, tablets, and this does sync to our chart plotter, so I think we're not going to do it. we've got about 8 knots coming with like on a close reach. We might be able to sail in this, and because we're not going too far, we don't mind going a little bit slower, and it would just be better having the engine off. So yeah, if you could do the honours.
Of course. Oh yes, that is lovely. Oh yes, that's what it's all about.
Six hours later.
I'm cutting in front of us within about bloody 20 feet.
They're going into a marina and he just threw loads of parcel tape in the water. Like, why? Like, that's just disgusting. Fender time! We're almost at the fuel dock.
Getting close.
Whee!
I'm just trying to avoid this dinghy.
So I'm just gonna go in, put the fenders out. I can hear everything going bang and clatter inside. Where did they come from? So we just fueled up and just waiting to see if they've got any camping gas, right?
Yeah, fingers crossed. There is
Yeah.
some camping gas in there. She brought a small one out just, but fingers crossed she'll have the right size as well.
Success!
Success. I can't believe this. This was such a
I
win.
cannot believe they had it. That is an absolute miracle.
So we've got fuel and that. That's a massive win. Super
Yay.
happy. Yeah. Yay! Perfecto. Gracias. Gracias.
Ciao. Yeah, she's really, really sweet. Lovely lady. And yeah, we're going to anchor now.
We've got the anchor down. We'll just reverse on it and just double check that we're not dragging or anything. But yeah, it's really good bottom here by the looks of it. Sandy bottom.
Sandy bottom.
Sandy bottom. There we go, so you can see the anchor chain straightening out. That doesn't feel like it's dragging. So if the anchor chain was dragging, you'd hear it or see the vibrations where it goes ding, 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 and it kind of pulls through things. Okay, perfect.
I'm too hot, I've got to go for a swim.
Don't blame you.
I'm going. Woo. What you got there? Oh, muscles.
Some backup water.
Yeah. So we've run out of water like insanely quick.
Yes.
I don't know what we've been doing.
Maybe it's me doing the washing up. I'm not very good at saving water.
I think we're in for a rolly night.
Definitely.
Look.
It's already pretty
Look at
crazy.
this.
That's cool.
Oh, he's close.
Yeah.
Don't spill it, it's precious.
Trying not to.
So dinner today is, of course, pasta, spaghetti.
Yeah, this is what I wanted.
I was giving the choice. I'm like, come on, what do you want for dinner? You can have this, you can have curry, you can have like stir fries, you can have pasta, pick whatever you want, all this kind of stuff. And he's like, oily spaghetti.
Yeah.
Basically, it's just loads of garlic cooked in chili oil, mixed with spaghetti,
Yeah.
and a few herbs on top. And this is absolutely delicious. Sometimes simple is better, but I'll show you the quantity of garlic in here. I mean, it could have done with more in my opinion. So simple but so effective. Yeah, what are you thinking for tomorrow?
So it's about, what is it, 10 hours, 10 and a half hours
Yeah.
to the next anchorage. And the winds are moderate, they're not like high, they hopefully aren't low. They should be between 8 and 13, 14 knots, which would be perfect sailing, hopefully, if the predictions are correct. But on Friday, so that's Thursday tomorrow, on Friday there is a decent blow coming through.
Yeah, I saw that. It's like 20 plus knots gusting, right?
Yeah, like almost 30 knots. And the sea state is not fun.
On the beam?
It's on the beam, yeah.
Oh, no, forget that.
So we'll probably stay put, I reckon. But then it's not much better on Saturday. So we might stay put for 2 days and then check the weather, keep checking it. If we think it's okay to go on one of the days, we'll just go. I know we want to explore these places, but it's more important to be making progress.
I know.
So, jet skis. Yeah, I think the most important thing is making progress. Like, we can always judge it on the day as well. Like, if we're going fast enough and we're making good time, we will just keep going.
I think that's a good plan. Good plan.
It's not that rolly at the minute. It has been. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Pretty rolly night, but I don't think we'll struggle to sleep, hopefully. Pretty tired. We are aiming for a very... Oh, the anchor light's not on. Whoops. For a super early start tomorrow, like 5 AM. Will that happen? I hope so, but I genuinely feel like this would drive most people absolutely insane. But because we've been into so many rolly anchorages, it's like... It moves down the scale of rolling. But yeah, we're gonna get some sleep soon. And we'll see you bright and early. Another big day tomorrow, like every day seems to be at the minute. We'll probably be on a 10 to 12-ish hour sail. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
Be sure to tune in next week as we experience our worst night ever on the sea. Thank you all so much for watching. See you then.